Crash course on China housing crisis, property bubbles, and top 12 ghost cities in China. The housing crisis in China is a complex issue that has developed over several decades due to a combination of factors, including rapid urbanization, high demand for housing, and government policies that incentivize property investment. Here's a crash course on the housing crisis in China. Rapid urbanization. Over the past several decades, China has experienced a massive wave of urbanization as millions of people have migrated from rural areas to cities. This has put immense pressure on the housing market as demand for housing has skyrocketed. High demand for housing. With a growing middle class and a large population, there is high demand for housing in China. Many Chinese citizens view property as a safe and reliable investment, which has further fueled demand for housing. Government policies. The Chinese government has implemented policies to encourage property investment, including providing subsidies for home buyers and relaxing restrictions on property ownership. However, these policies have also led to speculation and a housing market bubble, which has contributed to the crisis. High prices and affordability issues. The high demand for housing has driven up prices, making it difficult for many Chinese citizens to afford housing. In some cases, housing prices have increased at a faster rate than wages, creating a situation where many people are priced out of the market. Ghost cities. In an effort to promote economic growth, the Chinese government has invested heavily in infrastructure and real estate development. However, this has led to the creation of so-called ghost cities, large-scale developments that are empty or underused. This has further exacerbated the housing crisis by diverting resources away from areas where there is actual demand for housing. Ghost cities in China refer to urban areas that are underpopulated or even completely abandoned despite being built for a large number of residents. Here are 12 examples of ghost cities in China. 1. Ordos City, located in Inner Mongolia. Ordos City is perhaps the most well-known example of a Chinese ghost city. It was built to accommodate over 1 million people, but the population remains less than 100,000. 2. Dantu, located in Zhenjiang. Dantu was built to be a high-tech industrial zone, but it has yet to attract significant investment or residents. 3. Ujiapu, located in Tianjin. Ujiapu was designed to be a new financial center for China, modeled after New York City's Manhattan. However, it remains largely empty and unfinished. 4. Zhengzhou District, built in the early 2000s to accommodate the city's rapid population growth, Zhengzhou District has struggled to attract residents and businesses. 5. Tianzhusheng, located near Hangzhou. Tianzhusheng was designed to resemble Paris, complete with a replica of the Eiffel Tower. However, it has failed to attract many residents. 6. Meixi Lake, located in Changsha. Meixi Lake was designed to be a sustainable urban area with green spaces and high-tech infrastructure. However, it remains largely unoccupied. 7. Cofidian, built in the early 2000s to accommodate China's growing steel industry, Cofidian remains largely empty despite the massive investment. 8. Wenzhou New City, built to accommodate the growing population of Wenzhou. Wenzhou New City has yet to attract significant investment or residents. 9. Luanda New City, located in Angola. Luanda New City was built by a Chinese construction company but remains mostly unoccupied due to high prices. 10. Lanzhou New Area, built to accommodate the population of Lanzhou. Lanzhou New Area has yet to attract significant investment or residents. 11. Nanhai New City, built to accommodate the population of Shanghai. Nanhai New City has yet to attract significant investment or residents. 12. Jinjinji New Area, planned as a new metropolitan area to link Beijing, Tianjin, and Hebei Province. Jinjinji New Area has yet to attract significant investment or residents. While these ghost cities represent significant investment and construction projects in China, they have also been criticized for their wastefulness and inefficiency. However, some experts argue that some of these cities may eventually attract investment and residents in the future as China's urbanization continues. The housing crisis in China has significant economic and social implications. The high cost of housing has made it difficult for many Chinese citizens to achieve financial stability, while the prevalence of ghost cities and other overbuilt areas has led to wasted resources and a potential economic downturn. To address these issues, the Chinese government has implemented a range of policies, including measures to restrict property speculation and to provide affordable housing for low-income residents. However, the housing crisis remains a significant challenge for China, and it is likely that further reforms will be needed in the years ahead to address the root causes of the crisis and to ensure that all Chinese citizens have access to safe and affordable housing. Here is a poem on China ghost cities. Amidst the hills of China's land lie ghostly cities, empty and grand, once built with hopes of thriving life, now standing empty, devoid of strife. Towers stretch up to the sky, streets below, a ghostly lie. Buildings meant for countless souls, now echo only winds and ghouls. Empty parks and vacant stores, echoes of footsteps no more. The bustling life that was foretold, now echoes only whispers cold. Visions of the future bright, now a haunting, empty sight. Dreams of growth and wealth untold, now like ghostly cities, lonely and old. What once was meant to house the masses, now stands empty, as time passes. A symbol of a world that's changed, and the price of progress, once arranged. China's ghost cities, once so bright, now stand as a haunting sight of dreams that never came to be, and the cost of progress, for all to see. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. As a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.